Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Pansit Bihon Guisado. Let's do it! Here are the ingredients. We have cabbage, snow peas, celery, scallion, onion, garlic, fish ball, pork belly, carrot, calamansi, or you can use lemon, salt and pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, olive oil, and today we're going to use also quail eggs. So let's and of course we have our bihon rice stick bihon. So let's proceed to cooking. In our hot pan here, we put some olive oil, and we will put first our onions. Okay. Let's cook this for a minute until it's fragrant. Put our garlic. Okay, now let's put our pork belly. Let's mix it. Saute it with the garlic and onions. Let's put 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Now let's check our pork. Wow, good. This is tender already because we boiled this a while ago. All right. We put our fish ball, which we fried also a while ago. Give it a good mix. Put our snow peas. Our carrots, cabbage, a good mix. Let's put some broth. Okay. A little of fish sauce. Some pepper. some soy sauce. All right. Give it a good stir again. Let's cook this for the next 3 minutes. Let's cover it for the meantime. Now let's check our vegetables. Ooh, man, smells yummy. So this is half cooked, so we will not cook it all the way. So this time we're gonna put our quail eggs. Quail eggs. There you go. And then gonna mix it. And then we will set this aside because we're gonna cook our noodles, our bihon, and then we're gonna mix them together later on. Now we will cook our bihon from the cook it by using the broth from the vegetables. So okay, we'll put some more of soy sauce and just a little of oyster sauce. Okay, and we're gonna put some calamansi juice. Okay, like teaspoon or 1 tablespoon. And we're gonna cook the pancit here. And then we'll put the bihon now. All right. We'll put some pepper. Okay, and stir it again. Once all the juice is absorbed by the pancit or by the bihon, that means it's already cooked. So we're gonna mix the vegetables that we cooked earlier. Now we're gonna put our scallion and our celery. Then we'll mix it. Give it a good stir. Now we're gonna mix the vegetables. Right? Gonna give it a stir again, so we can mix the vegetables we cooked. Okay. We're gonna put everything. All right. There you go. Now this is ready to be served. Here's our finished product. Pansit Bihon Guisado. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.